Nursery. Baby shark, do 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 do, swimming fast, do 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 do, wiggle tail, do 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 do, now the last, do 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 do. Mama shark wears a bow on her fin, chomps on snacks with a big sharky grin, dances wild in the deep blue sea. She's the queen of shark TV. Papa shark with the shades on cool, teaches other sharks to swim in school, plays guitar in a choral band, shreds so loud he moves the sand. Sister shark likes bubble tea, sings so loud she shakes the sea, paints her tail with rainbow dots. She's the queen of selfie shots. Rubber shark's a ninja spy, sneaks around with a jellyfish tie, jumps from reef to giant shell. He's got tricks he'll never tell. Grandma shark knits fishy socks, wears a hat with shiny rocks, rides a dolphin to the store, buys some seaweed then buys more. Grandpa shark with his fancy cane tells tall tales of a seaweed train, taught the whales to dance and bob, now they do the jellyfish hop. Uncle shark runs a taco shack, serves worm burritos in a pack. Octopus DJs all day long, every meal comes with a song. Auntie shark is a fashion star, swims the runway near and far, wears fish scale heels and a pearl hat. Even the crabs say, wow, look at that. Cousin shark plays hide and seek, hides in shells and doesn't peek. Once got stuck in seaweed jam, still won the game, he's the champ. Baby shark went to sea school, learned the rules and acted cool, did a flip and passed the test. Teacher said, you are the best. Jellyfish said, let's play tag. Baby said, let's zig and zag. Zoomed around the coral reef, got caught on a seaweed leaf. A crab pinched baby's tiny fin, baby laughed and pinched a grin. They both danced with their claws up high, underneath the squid-filled sky. A seahorse offered baby tea, with lemon drops and algae brie. They had snacks and giggled loud, made a jelly scum seaweed cloud. Turtle came with a bouncy ball, they played shark soccer near the wall. Kicked it hard, it hit a clam. Clam said, hey, you broke my jam. Eel threw a surprise birthday bash, balloons made a bubble splash. All the sea came by to cheer, even dolphins did flips in gear. Starfish danced like a disco queen, glowed bright red then turned green. Baby sharks spun round and round, they shook the ocean with that sound. Octopus brought a silly joke, everyone laughed till they almost broke. Even the sharks had tears of glee, rolling